Welcome. We'll be starting in a bit. Thank you. All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to 24 Breaks. Thank you for joining tonight. We have Baseball Break 258 tonight. Doing a mix of some 2020, 2021, and 2022 products. Got 10 items, 3 packs, 3 hangers, and 4 blasters tonight. Let's go over these real quick. Got a 2020 Topps Chrome Update value pack. Got 2 pink refractor parallels on average per pack. 2021 Optic value pack, 16 cards, 4 lime green parallels on average. Then we have a Chronicles 2022, 15 cards, 1 pink pulsar on average. Hanger 2020 Series 2 Topps, 67 cards in here. Got a 2021 Mosaic hanger, 20 cards in here, 4 reactive orange parallels on average. Then a 2022 Topps Update Series, 67 cards in here. Blasters, we have a 2021 Select, 12 cards, 3 scope parallels on average. 2021 Topps Chrome, 32 cards, 2 sepia, 2 pink refractor parallels on average. 2022 Topps Gallery, Blaster, 28 cards, 4 printer-proof parallels on average. Last is in Archives 2022, 56 cards, 3 1988 big foil inserts on average. All right, let's go over our participants. All right, we have Nolan Diamondbacks, Joshua Braves, Nolan Orioles, Henry Red Sox, Michael Cubs, Ken White Sox, Jay Reds, Nathaniel Guardians, Ken Rockies, Nathaniel Tigers, Joshua Astros, Nathaniel Royals, Joshua Angels, Roger Dodgers Marlins, Drew Brewers, Ian Twins, Joshua Mets, Drew with the Yankees, Joshua Athletics, Leica Phillies, Ian Pirates, Leica Padres, Nathaniel Giants, Jason Mariners, Leon with the Cardinals, Jason Rays, Matthew Rangers, and David with the Blue Jays and Nationals. All right, let's adjust a little and we'll start. All right, we'll start with the 2022 Chronicles value pack, 15 cards in here. Looking for 1 pink pulsar. Good luck, everyone. All right, start to break off with rookie Colton Welker, Rockies. A Vertex of Rodolfo Castro, rookie for the Pirates. Rookie Edward Cabrera for the Marlins. Connor Wong for the Red Sox. Josh Lowe for the Rays. Joe Ryan, rookie for the Twins. Brandon Woodruff. Got a patch here, a little hit. Jake Myers for the Astros. Recon rookie Ronnie Dawson for the Reds. Riley Adams, clearly Donruss, rookie for the Nationals. And Elite Lucius Fox for the Nationals. Pink Pulsar Drew Ellis for the Diamondbacks. Jake McCarthy, rookie, Diamondbacks. Bobby Witt Jr., Spectra. And another Bobby Witt, that's a Revolution. It's Bobby Witt there. Just gonna go to Nathaniel. Let me just leave a few of these up real quick. Pink Pulsar, Drew Ellis. Another Bobby Witt there. Jake Myers patch, going to Joshua. All right, next pack. Let's go Topps Chrome. Topps Chrome update 2020. We have 14 cards in here. Looking for 2 pink refractor parallels. It's going to be 3 packs of 4 and then the exclusive pink refractor. Rookie Josh Taylor, that's for the Red Sox. Decades Next, Brendan Rodgers, that's for the Rockies. Jose Altuve, All-Star, and a Tino Martinez. Jonathan VR, David Price, Todd Frazier, Home Run Derby, and a Boba Fett rookie debut. It's going to David. Alright, next pack. What's up, Drew? Good luck. Rookie debut, Luis Robert for the White Sox. A numbers game, Jeff Bagwell. Wilmer Flores. And the Randy Rosarena rookie for the Rays. A Rosarena for Jason. Lou Bob debut for Ken. Alright, here's the pink refractors. Gleyber Torres for the Yankees. And a home run derby of Ken Griffey Jr. Griffey. That's going to Jason. Alright, last pack. 2021 Optic. 16 cards, 4 lime green parallels on average. Alright, we're the rookie, Luis Garcia for the Nationals. Fernando Tatis, Zach McKinstry rookie for the Dodgers. Dane Dunning rookie, Rangers. Manny Machado, Fernando Tatis, Jack Flaherty, Kyle Lewis, Bryce Harper, Halo, Luis Gonzalez rookie for the White Sox. Lime green, Ryan Mountcastle for the Orioles. Lime green, Matt Chapman, Ramon Laureano, and Dansby Swanson. Light South insert, Nolan Ryan for the Angels. Rated prospect, Matthew Liberatore, that's for the Cardinals. Lime green, Mountcastle. That's going to Nolan. All right, onto hangers. To 2020 Series 2. 67 cards in here. Empty box. All right, we have Homer Bailey, Jose Abreu, Brandon Lau, Luke Weaver, Chris Taylor, Jaime Barria, Luis Arraez, Derek Fisher, Corey Seager, Ronald Guzman, Zach Plezak, Mike Leake, Harold Castro, Kelvin Herrera, Tyrone Taylor, rookie for the Brewers, Stephen Voigt, Anthony Desclafani, Padres team card, Bama Brothers, Twins, Three's Company, Rangers, Rich Hill, Justin Dunn, rookie for the Mariners, Aledmys Diaz, Harrison Bader, Byron Buxton, Salvador Perez, Mark Canha, Will Myers, Kevin Newman, Brian O'Grady, rookie for the Rays, Garrett Cole, Adam Duvall, Orioles, Rangers, Adrian Hauser, Wilson Ramos, Luis Arias, Stephen Piscotty, rookie Hunter Harvey for the Orioles, Trevor Williams, Lamonte Wade, rookie for the Twins, Danielson Lamet, Felix Hernandez, Zach Eflin, Yu Chang, rookie for the Guardians, Carlos Martinez, Jeff Mathis, Nick Whitgren, Yan Gomes, Josh Reddick, James McCann, rookie Tom Eshelman for the Orioles, Keon Wong, rookie for the Giants, Joey Wendell, Cole Hamels, Braves New World, Nick Ahmed, Eric Hosmer, Travis d'Arnaud, Charlie Blackmon. Here's a gold parallel of Ryan Zimmerman, number to 2020. Decade's Best, New York Mets, Luis Severino, All-Star 35th. Turkey Red, Rod Carew for the Angels, Trevor Story for the Rockies, Hyun-Jin Ryu for the Blue Jays, and a Michael Conforto, Mets. Zimmerman, 2020. All right, next hanger. 2021 Mosaic. 20 cards, 4 reactive orange parallels on average. Also 1 rookie variation. Couple more parallels there. All right, we have Tim Anderson, Jose Abreu, Kyle Freeland, Giancarlo Stanton, Brandon Lau, all-time greats Larry Doby for the Guardians, rookie Evan White for the Mariners, Luis Campusano, rookie Padres. Got a silver Jacob deGrom, Mosaic rookie Jared Oliva for the Pirates, green Mosaic Yadi Molina. Here's a reactive orange, rookie William Contreras for the Braves, Alex Rodriguez for the Yankees, Luis Garcia, rookie Nationals, and Willie Stargell for the Pirates. Big fly insert Jim Thome for Cleveland. Producers Eloy Jimenez, White Sox. Vintage Mosaic, Monte Irvin. Green Will to Win Mosaic insert of Otani. Rookie Key Brian Hayes for the Pirates. Got Hayes rookie there. Nice Otani. Going to Joshua. Contreras rookie. Also for Joshua. All right, last hanger. 2022 Topps update. Got 67 cards in here. Empty box. All right, we got rookie debut of Gabriel Arias for the Guardians. Clint Frazier, Kurt Casale. Debut of Vidal Brujan, Eduardo Rodriguez, Mike Clevenger. Rookie debut of Jaren Duran, Dylan Tate. Rookie debut of Bobby Witt. Thairo Estrada. Rookie combos De Jesus and Rodriguez. Rookie combo Suarez and Wilson for the Padres. Opening day with the Yankees. Debut of Reed Detmers, Angels. Ryan Yarbrough, Connor Pilkington rookie for the Guardians. Infield crew with the Orioles. Rivalry Love, that is Albies and Soto. We'll randomize that for those two teams. Lucas Sims. Corey Dickerson, rookie debut of Jeremy Pena for the Astros. Chad Kuhl, Colby Allard, Albert Pujols, Kyle Isbell, Hunter Strickland, Cesar Hernandez, Lucius Fox, rookie for the Nationals. Gold parallel Drew Smiley for the Cubs. Number to 2022. Chrome, Bryson Stott for the Phillies. Nice Royce Lewis rookie, Rainbow Foil, Twins. Stars of MLB, Alec Thomas rookie, D-backs, Julio Urias, Brandon Marsh rookie for the Angels, and Seiya Suzuki rookie for the Cubs. Die cut Al Kaline for the Tigers. 35th, Gary Carter. We have a Kershaw, Greinke, Chase Peterson, Jorge Soler, rookie Bobby Witt Jr. for the Royals, Avisail Garcia, John Duran, rookie Twins, McCutchen, Brian Lavastida, rookie for the Guardians, Carlos Correa, Cooper Hummel, Diamondbacks rookie, Seth Lugo, Brendan Donovan, rookie for the Cardinals, Adam Engel, Eugenio Suarez, debut Bryson Stott, Trevor Story, Matt Beatty, debut rookie Brandon Marsh, Ramon Arias, Soto, 100 career home runs, Owen Miller, Taylor Walls, rookie debut Royce Lewis, Nick Senzel, Pujols, debut Jose Miranda, Adam Hazley, Luis Torrens, and rookie debut of C.J. Abrams. Just leave some of these up real quick. It's Bobby Witt. Rainbow Foil, rookie Royce Lewis. Let's go on Ian. Just a few more real quick, please. Pena and Witt rookie debuts. All right, on to our blasters. To 2021 select 12 cards, 3 scope parallels on average. There's our packs. Empty box. 1, 2, 3. 4 cards per pack. Good luck. Corey Seager. Monte Harrison, rookie for the Marlins. 25-man insert. AJ Minter for the Braves. And a scope of Trent Grisham. Next pack. Rookie Devi Garcia for the Yankees. Vlad Guerrero Jr. Mike Trout insert. Nice Kirilloff scope rookie there. Let's go into the Twins. Let's go into Ian. All right, last pack of select. Trevor Story. Moonshots, Pete Alonso. Vlad Guerrero Jr. I think that's a silver there. Yep. And then a Kyle Lewis scope for the Mariners. All right. Next blaster, 2021 Topps Chrome. 32 cards, 2 sepia, 2 pink refractor parallels on average. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 cards per pack. Good luck. Joey Votto, Yadi Molina, refractor, Trevor Story for the Rockies. 35th anniversary, Alec Boehm, rookie, Phillies. Let's go into Jose. Next pack. Manny Machado, rookie, Alec Boehm. Refractor, Kyle Schwarber for the Cubs. Sepia refractor, rookie, Brady Singer for the Royals. Alec Boehm there. Cody Bellinger, Charlie Morton, rookie Garrett Crochet for the White Sox. Nice Ryan Mountcastle, sepia refractor rookie there. Let's go to Nolan. Next pack. Byron Buxton, Eduardo Escobar, Buster Posey, pink refractor of Tony Gonsolin for the Dodgers. Miguel Cabrera, Yasmani Grandal, rookie Leody Taveras for the Rangers. 35th, Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. Rookie Luis Garcia, Nationals. Will Myers. Refractor of Miguel Cabrera. Sepia refractor of Jacob deGrom. Next pack. Josh Bell. Sonny Gray. Prism refractor Blake Snell for the Rays. Sepia refractor Joey Gallo for the Rangers. Alright, last pack of Chrome. Salvador Perez. Refractor Noah Syndergaard. Prismatic Power Insert Jose Ramirez, Guardians. Ronald Acuna, 35th. Nice Acuna there. All right. Next blaster, we'll go Gallery. 2022 Topps Gallery, 28 cards, 4 printer-proof parallels on average. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 cards per pack. Good luck. Rookie Bobby Witt. Logan Webb. Printer proof Shohei Ohtani. Carlos Correa and a Willie Mays. Extra cards in there. Got another Daniel. Rookie Ryan Valad for the Rockies. Jose Altuve. Ronzi Contreras, foil rookie. Printer proof rookie Juan Yepes for the Cardinals. Pete Alonso. Contreras. Vlad Guerrero Jr., Ernie Banks, Nolan Ryan, Rangers, Paul Goldschmidt. Miguel Cabrera, Bo Jackson, Rainbow Foil. Printer proof Jazz Chisholm, Honus Wagner, and Tristan McKenzie. Bo Jackson. Tony Gwynn. Modern Artist, insert Juan Soto. Big Puppy, De Ortiz, and Hoy Park rookie. Pirates. Next pack. Andrew McCutchen, Bo Jackson, printer proof Alex Bregman, Astros. Justin Verlander, Chas McCormick, rookie for the Astros. Alright, last pack of Gallery. Corbin Burns, Ozzie Smith, Garrett Cole. Rookie Andre Jackson for the Dodgers. Alright, last box, guys. Archives 2022. 56 cards. 3 exclusive 1988 big foil insert cards on average. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards per pack. Good luck. Alan Trammell, Juan Soto, a little bad corner there in the Soto, sorry. Rookie Jake Myers for the Astros, Freddie Freeman, Fernando Tatis, Sonny Gray, rookie Brandon Marsh for the Angels, Josh Slow, rookie for the Rays. Mike Zunino, Manny Machado, Mike Schmidt, Javi Baez, Garrett Cole, big foil rookie Shane Baz for the Rays, Bryce Harper, Don Drysdale, and Larry Doby. Next pack. Rookie Elio Ramos, Giants. Tyler Gilbert, rookie Diamondbacks. Shohei Ohtani, Nelson Cruz, Yogi Berra, Josh Hader, Thurman Munson, Nathaniel Lowe. Ryan McMahon, Josh Hader, Bob Feller, Eddie Murray. Greetings from Chicago. That's a postcard insert of Luis Robert. Brandon Belt, Ernie Banks, rookie MJ Melendez for the Royals. Next pack. Yadi Molina, Greg Maddux, Brandon Lau, Fernando Tatis, Brian Reynolds, Vasquez with the Red Sox, rookie Zach Short for the Tigers, and rookie Greg Diekman for the Cubs. Alright, last 2 packs of our break. We have 1 card to randomize, and then we'll do a recap. Mark McGuire, Craig Biggio, Mitch Haniger, Corbin Burns, Tim Anderson, rookie Luis Frias for the Diamondbacks, big foil Ken Griffey Jr. for the Mariners, Akil Baddoo, and Pete Alonso. Griffey, big foil. Alright, last pack of our break. Again, I do have 1 card to randomize, and we'll do a recap. Most of your rookies will get sleeved up, bigger hits top loaded, and hopefully out by tomorrow for you guys. Team bags, bubble mailers, thank you again for joining. Last pack, good luck. Jed Lowry, Giancarlo Stanton, rookie Josiah Gray for the Nationals, Kyle Schwarber, Nick Madrigal, big foil Mark McGuire for the A's, Randy Rosarena, Mariano Rivera, and Billy Williams. Alright, let's make some space here, and then we'll do the quick random for this card here, and then we'll do a recap after. All right, we'll do random.org and a dice roll. Roll one die for the Braves and the Nationals there. Give me a second, please. All right, random.org, dice roll or one virtual die. We'll roll it one time. If we roll an odd number, Aussie Albies. Even number for Soto. Good luck. That's 4, even. Going to one, Soto. All right, let's go over some rookies. Actually, let's go over some inserts and parallels really quick. All right, we have Mark McGuire and Griffey Jr., big foil. Luis Robert, Soto, parallel Bo Jackson, Jazz Chisholm and Otani, Jose Ramirez, Acuna, Blake Snell, Gallo, Cabrera, DeGrom, Bogarts, Pink Gonsolin, Otani, Guerrero Jr., Lewis, Trout, Grisham, Smiley 2022, A-Rod, Zimmerman 2020, Griffey Jr. and Bagwell. Some rookies here. Brandon Marsh, Shane Baz, rookie, Contreras parallel, Yepes parallel, Bohm, another Bohm, refractor of Brady Singer, Monte Harrison, Mountcastle Green, Pena debut and Bobby Witt debut, Bryson Stock Chrome, Suzuki, K-Lines insert, Bobby Witt rookie, Brandon Donovan, Boba Shett rookie debut, Mosaic, Jared Oliva, got orange reactive Contreras and Garcia, Key Brian Hayes, Revolution of Bobby Witt, Gonzalez, Drew Ellis, Pink Pulsar, Libator, Lou Bob, Rosarena rookie, Jake McCarthy rookie. Got a Spectra of Bobby Witt. Another Bobby Witt base. Foil Royce Lewis for the Twins. Scope Kirilloff for the Twins. Sepia Mountcastle for the Orioles. And a patch of Jake Myers for the Astros. All right, that concludes our break for tonight. Thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. Until next time, have a good night.